Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna discuss another questions. Again and again, I'm discussing another polynomials questions. I know it might be boring for the viewers and maybe for all of you, yeah, because lately I've been very intrigued with polynomials questions, and you might get bored with it because because three previous video, all of them, I'm discussing a polynomial questions. But yeah, I don't care. I don't care because this is the subjects that interested with lately. So yeah, let's just get ahead with it, okay? Maybe in the future I will be making another video regarding another topics in mathematics, but just enjoy this one, okay? Just enjoy the polynomial solutions, okay? So I'm gonna discuss another CMAC UI questions. Yeah, as you might have known that and this is not from CMAC UI, yeah. This is from SBMPTN Mat IPA 2014 code 586. Yes, so this is a national college entrance exam. Yeah, the previous one I discussed the Simakuki questions. Yeah, this is the college entrance exams, particularly for entering University of Indonesia. Yeah, okay. But this one is a national college entrance exam, SBMPTN. So it's a national wide entrance exams. Yeah. Okay. Let's discuss these questions. Okay, let's just get into it. Okay, we know a polynomial p and q such that px equal to kx times a squared x to x cubed plus a minus 1x plus 2a. And then we know that if px and kx each of if px and we know that from the questions, if px divided by x minus 1, the remainder would be 9. And if kx is divided by x minus 1, so same divisor. So if it's divided by x minus 1, the kx, we would have a remainder of 1. Now the question asks for what is the remainder of px times kx times this term, yeah, which is exactly as the same as this term, yeah, if it's divided by x minus 1. Okay. I would say this is a rather a hard questions. Yeah, relative. Yeah, I think hard, easy. It was relative. Yeah, based on your perspectives and on your experience on doing the problems. But yeah, I think I don't know. Let's just get ahead to the questions. Okay, you might be the judge for whether is it an easy questions or a difficult questions to do, especially on a examinations environment. Okay. Okay, we know that px is equal to kx times this term, yeah, times these polynomials. And we know that px, when divided by x minus 1, it has a remainder of 9. Px, when divided by x minus 1, has a remainder of 1. And the questions ask for the what if px times kx times this term, which is exactly the same term with this one, when it divided by x minus 1, what is the remainder? Okay, we know that we could express this polynomial as per the questions using this formula, which is uh, the divisor time is quotient plus its remainder. We don't know what is the quotient is. We don't really care actually, yeah, because this term would be cancel would be equal to 0 at the end. So we don't need to find the quotients for this particular equations. Okay, we just want to express it on this using this formula. Okay, okay. From this statement, okay, so let's start analyze by each of the information given by the questions. Okay, we know that px when divided by x minus 1 equal to 9. We know that using the uh, we know that if a polynomial is divided by a linear factors and it has a remainder, then the value of the p of the polynomial in that particular point, in that particular x, would be equal to the remainder. right? So we know that P1, it means that for P1 is equal to 9. Yeah, because x minus 1, if we change it into 0, then x equal to 1, right? So based on the theorem that we had regarding the remainder theorem, we know that a remainder would be equal to its polynomial value when the value is equal to that particular x. So for x minus 1, when it's divided by x minus 1, it means that P1 is equal to 9. Yeah. So the value of P1 would be equal to its remainder, which is 9. The same apply to Kx. So Kx is divided by x minus 1, and the remainder is 1. That means the value of K1, yeah, the value of this function's key at x equal to 1 would be equal to its remainder, which is 1. That means K1 equal to 1. Yeah, this is an important information that we have gotten from the questions. And this is fundamental to solving the problem. So we know that P1 is equal to K1 times A squared plus A minus 1 plus 2A. Yeah, so we change all x's into 1. So we insert the x1 equal to 1 to the equations, and it would left us with the P1 equal to K1 times this term. And we change all the x's with 1, and we would get these equations. Now we know that Q1 is equal to 1. We could insert it into the equations. Q1 is equal to 1, and then the rest of the equations would be depend on this term. Yeah, so Q1, since Q1 is equal to 1. And we know that this term could be simplified into a squared plus the 3a minus 1. And we know that P1 is equal to 9. Yeah, so this is the equations. A squared plus the 3a minus 1 equal to 9 then. Okay. Uh, this is some of the extra information if you want to get the value of a, but uh, after I'm doing the questions, I found out that this wasn't really important. Yeah, this wasn't really an essential information that we should get, that we have to get. Yeah, because you'll see it in the steps. Yeah, why you'll find out later why this term are useless. Yeah. Why finding the value of a is useless? Well, it's not useless exactly, but yeah, we just don't need it for the sake of solving the questions. Okay, we only need these informations. Yeah, we know that a squared plus the a minus 1 is equal to 9. And then, okay, we have already know some information from the questions. Yeah. Now we do the questions then. So we know that this polynomial, this is the polynomial that is being divided by x minus 1, and the one that was being asked by the questions. And of course we could state this polynomial using the same formula. Yeah, so using this formula. Yeah, px equal to hx plus sx, and we know that the divisor x minus 1. Yes, and let's just change the value of x equal to 1 then. Yeah, so if I substitute the value of x minus 1, yeah, why do I choose x equal to 1? X equal to 1, yeah, because we know P1. Yeah, because if we substitute the value of x equal to 1, we have to know P1 and Q1, and we have to know the value of P1 and Q1. Yeah, and since we know what is the value of them, yeah, so I'll just use that. Okay, and we know that if we choose x equal to 1, this term would be equal to 0. So we don't have to take into account this term then. And we don't have to care what is the quotients of the divisions. So we only focus on the remainder. So we know that this would be P1 times Q1. It would left us with P1 Q1 times this term. And if we simplify it, it would be a squared plus 3a minus 1. We know that P1 and Q1 is 9 times 1. And we know that the value of a squared plus 3a minus 1 equal to 9. Yeah. So we don't have to find the value of a then. Yeah, right? Because both these value will give you exactly the same answer, which is 9 for a squared plus 3a minus 1. And this would be 9. So it means then 9 times 1 times 9. The answer would be equal to 81. Yeah, I think that's the final answer for our questions today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a comments and subscribes and leave a suggestions on what's the next topic that we should discuss. Yeah. But okay. But please, of course, please give us suggestions of mathematics subject. Yeah, not other subjects such as maybe sociology. I'm not the expert on it. Yeah, yet, not yet. No. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm not really interested on sociology and other social sciences subjects. Yeah. Well, not interested. Maybe that won't be the appropriate word to describe my situations. Maybe it would be I cannot do it. Yeah, that would be more suitable word to describe my thought on to sociology, geography, and other social sciences subject. Okay, I think that's all for our discussion today. I hope you enjoy every video that I've been making. Please uh, give us a comment, give it the comments in uh, the comment sections below. Yeah, if you find this video is interesting, well, you could subscribe my channel and share it to a person that you might know that interested on mathematics. Yeah, okay, thank you for listening. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.